Hello, my lovelies. How are you guys? I would be like little far from the camera because I'm testing something which needs that to be done. Today, I would be reviewing a mic which should actually work from 40 meters away. So the very far distance what I could talk in my room would be this far. Right now, let's directly jump into the review. I would be reviewing the wireless microphone system. So this is the one which I ordered. This is from Digitech Wireless Micro System. The model is TWM010. This is a very basic mic, wireless mic, guys. So I recently started doing this short videos, mini vlogs, right? So when I'm having and walking here and there, my voice is not that audible. Then again, I have to fix it or work on editing my audio here and there. So that's taking a lot of time. Edit a video, it really takes a lot of time, and doing that patchwork I really hate. So what I thought was I will purchase a mic and I would really do a live audio kind of videos. So before going into this, guys, I ordered a Crotos something one in the Zepto. Really, it was not working. I then went back. I was too late to go back and check. I did check that. What I could see is there was many reviews saying that the mic doesn't work and everything. How bad about me. I could have done my research well in advance before ordering, but a luckiest thing is that we had a return policy. So I immediately returned it on the Zepto itself. Then I, without thinking, ordered a Digitech one because I have the same selfie 360-degree AI selfie stand with me, which is really working very well. So I had this trust on this band, so I ordered that. So jumping into the functionality, as I was telling, this is the wireless microphone system which we are right now testing. I will also upload a video without the mic. Let's test it on camera. Apart from the wireless system, we also have the wireless range, which is supporting up to 40 meters, and that's why I'm really standing a little far from the camera and talking. And it also has 80 mAh battery and 7 hours of battery support, and it's a type C charger, guys. It's a type C charger, so which supports the latest iPhone models as well as the Android phones. Most of it is now coming as the C type. So now I I don't know, there's no echo or there is no sensor as such when I'm talking on it, apart from the light, what you could see here. And I just plugged in the C-type receiver to my phone. So let me check this audio. Continue to talk, in fact, by stopping this without the mic. Let's see how it makes the difference, okay? Let's start. Welcome back, guys. Today I am reviewing something very, very important, which is useful for me, which is also useful for you. Very happy. I think I have already posted and with the mic again, and you can really see the difference, right? I'm really happy about the purchase. Yes, it could have been little better, but for the money what we are paying, I feel it is making justice, guys. On Zepto, it was around 699, and if you have some SBI credit card or debit card with you, you could get this or grab this simple device for 595. I don't have, so I paid the full amount, which I don't regret for now, and I can use this for a very long time is what I see, because the battery is the battery connectivity is really good, and it is simple. It doesn't really need a lot of effort to connect to our phone, and I really liked it. If you really want to invest on something simple, cost efficient, budget friendly, and hassle free on handling anything at any point of time, you can really reach out to this Digitech wireless microphone system, elevated pure sound, model number DWM010. You do have different models in it, but that's what, like, it depends on your budget, guys. So go according to your budget. Do not spend a lot, okay? Until unless you are getting benefited out of it, do not try to invest a lot on these gadgets. You can really use this for certain time, and after that you can surely jump into a higher budgeted ones, right? That's what I always do. I use the basic stuff. If it is really working, it is benefiting for me, then I would try to invest on a higher version of it. So this is a total paisa vasul, and this is not a sponsor video. Again, I am trying to help you guys, whoever is trying to buy a mic and no idea. There is a lot of options on the online portals and you don't know what to purchase. This is the guide for you. If you feel you would really need a budget friendly microphone system, which is wireless, which has a good battery life and good distance, like 40 meters is a good distance. you can really invest in the Digitech microphone. And if you feel this video is helpful for you, do like the video, subscribe to the channel. Do let me know if you need such kind of digital product reviews on my channel apart from the beauty vlogs. I would really be happy to do that for you, and I can also take you through on my setup what are the basic stuffs I use for vlogging or for this kind of reviews. And check out my page